More than 1,000 years since lynx last stalked our ancient woodlands, calls have once again been made for their return.
The lynx is a native species to the UK. It's as native as a red squirrel or a badger or an otter. We killed every last one of them 1,300 years ago. And apart from anything else, there's a moral duty to bring these beautiful animals back.
The Trust is proposing a 5-year trial to put a small number of lynx back into 3 different sites across Scotland to monitor their impact. Introducing any apex predator is a delicate process. Ecosystems are fragile. Any change could have quite a wide-reaching impact. Scotland's farmers have also expressed concern.
It would just be a mitigated disaster if these animals were released into the wilds of Scotland. We know the effects from when sea eagles were reintroduced, and lynx, an apex predator, will probably do a huge amount of damage.
Lynx are primarily believed to hunt roe deer, but studies are still needed into whether or not their hunting behaviours might change.
Lynx are generally quite timid, certainly very elusive. They're not very active during the day, more at sort of dusk and dawn. And chances of actually seeing a wild lynx are slim to none, very unlikely.
Researchers have used state-of-the-art tools to help identify the best places to support wild lynx.
We looked to model a potential reintroduction of the Eurasian lynx at 3 separate locations around Scotland that had been previously suggested as potentially suitable. So these were in the Scottish component of Kielder Forest, one site in Aberdeenshire and one on the Kintyre Peninsula. And what we found effectively was that no matter how we chose to measure success, the Kintyre Peninsula always came out as the most suitable location from those that we tested.
The results do not recommend whether we should or should not reintroduce lynx, but they do help us understand the potential for success.
If people don't want to see it, or there are serious concerns that can't be addressed, then we shouldn't proceed. And what we hope we've contributed here is some evidence towards informing a constructive debate around whether we should reintroduce lynx to Scotland or not.
Laura Piper, STV News.